If you're struggling with scope creep in your projects, you're not alone. It's one of the biggest challenges in project management. But the good news is that better proposals can help you reduce it. In this quick 3-minute guide, we'll walk through the best strategies to create proposals that set clear expectations and prevent scope creep from derailing your projects. One of the first steps to reducing scope creep is to clearly define the project scope in your proposals. Be specific. The more details you include about the project's deliverables, deadlines, and expectations, the less room there is for ambiguity. A vague proposal will only invite change requests later on. So, include clear descriptions of what's included, what's not, and the consequences of changing scope once work has started. Next, make sure to set realistic timelines. Proposals that promise too much, too quickly, only invite scope creep. You need to factor in all the work required and give your team enough time to meet those expectations. When clients see an overly optimistic timeline in a proposal, they often think there's room to expand the scope later. So, instead of over-promising, ensure the timeline reflects the project's real needs and set clear deadlines for each phase. Another key element is the use of milestones. When outlining deliverables, break the project down into manageable phases with defined milestones. This gives both you and your client a clear vision of progress. Plus, it allows for checks along the way so that any changes to the scope can be addressed before they snowball. A proposal with clear milestones makes it easier to communicate what's been delivered and what's still to come. Additionally, include a change management process in your proposal. Even with the best planning, changes can happen. But by setting up a formal process for requesting changes, such as an approval system or a defined procedure for handling scope changes, you can manage any additions without disrupting the original project goals. This helps keep everyone on the same page and reduces the risk of unchecked scope creep. Don't forget to manage expectations up front. Be clear about what's achievable within the scope of the proposal. If a client tries to push for more work than agreed upon, remind them of the agreed upon terms and use your proposal to guide the conversation. This also means not undervaluing your work. Don't be afraid to negotiate scope changes and, when necessary, propose additional fees for expanded work. Being upfront about your pricing will discourage clients from pushing the limits. Finally, let's talk about tools. The software we'll be using today is designed to streamline this whole process, helping you create proposals that protect your scope and time. I've tried several popular tools, and this software has really impressed me for its simplicity and effectiveness. If you're ready to try it out for yourself, check out the exclusive free trial in the description below. It's available only to viewers of this channel, so don't miss out. So here's your key takeaway. To reduce scope creep with better proposals, you need to clearly define the scope, set realistic timelines, use milestones to track progress, have a formal change management process in place, and manage expectations up front. If you follow these steps, you'll be able to deliver on time and within budget more often. Remember to take advantage of the free trial in the description below. This software can help you implement these strategies and streamline your proposal process. Thanks for watching.